Alright, welcome back. Today we are creating a loading bar in CapCut. So this is something you can put over the top of your videos and it will get a bar that is animated that looks very similar to this bar, but it will start over here and obviously animate to the end of however long you want it. So in GIMP, select this bar so we can kind of get the dimensions of the bar, depending on how big you want your bar. And then we'll just be pasting this into a new image. So this is going to be our loading bar, and we want to grab this image, this color, and then this color, because this is our background of the bar and this is our foreground in GIMP. You can just switch the two there. Now we're going to add a new layer on this, and we're going to fill that with our gray first. So just fill it with gray, and then we're going to export that into bar disabled. So do that first. What as? Let's call it bar dis, and then a PNG or a JPEG. PNG is a bit better quality, I guess. Now we just fill this with our other color, which is the green, and then export that as well. And we'll just call that bar en and export. Then we will go into CapCut. I've just got a test one called Minecraft loading bar in CapCut. And we want to have the loading bar go over the top of video. So we will you can create the bar separately and add it later. If you want it to go for a certain amount of time, I'll just drag in a test video that I had here and we'll drag that in here. This is a test one. We want to go intro wave 1. This is just a Minecraft video I had randomly sitting around. So to do our bar over the top of this as it plays, I better mute that actually. Just import those two images. So now we've got our two images imported. We will want to start off with the gray bar and then drag it however long we want it to go in the video, and obviously the placement. I guess we'll get it to go for about 9 seconds, or we can go for the whole video. And then we want to drag our other one on top of this and also make it the length of the video. And I guess with the status bar, you probably, depends how you want it positioned, but I'll just move this out of the way so we can see this. You probably want it up here like this, so then you can see how long it's going for, and then you can copy attributes and paste them here. Paste everything. And now we have our green bar on top and our gray bar underneath. Let's do a full top bar sliding here. All right, I'll set that right on the top. So then we'll have a bar that goes along the top, or you could do along the bottom, I guess. And then this one, we want to copy the attributes again. Copy and paste. Everything. So now we get this bar and slide it all the way off the side here, like this. And we set, on the position, you want to set add the keyframe. And then we drag this all the way to the end. And then get our green bar and drag it along to here is where we want it to finish. And that automatically adds the second keyframe. So now if we play this video, you can see that we have our loading bar along the top as it plays. So that looks pretty cool. So that is how you do a easy loading bar in Minecraft. Well, actually, in CapCut with Minecraft content. Anyway, thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.